one of 4 squadrons in the Navy that has the unmanned vehicle capability. We'll use this vehicle to deploy off the LCS and build our maritime picture through surveillance and reconnaissance. And it basically carries a radar and bright star and helps us build that picture and find contacts of interest while we're deployed.
Also, we can provide surveillance for troops on the ground and give them some updates and deploy our MH-60 counterparts to take them out.
It's definitely a change, and definitely a change from the normal that we've both experienced for our whole careers. You know, everything has been manned flight in the 60. You know, you're there on scene, seeing it with your own 2 eyes, and now you're on a ship or even a land-based station, depending on where you're operating, and you have a vehicle that takes off into parts that you're not with, and it's definitely a weird feeling. It's very cool. It's a new technology that, you know, is on the forefront for the Navy. It's exciting. It's definitely a change to what we're used to, but it's an exciting change.